Your packaging will foot the bill with the extended producer responsibility or the EPR. You will, by the way. That hidden fee could shift £1 billion a year onto companies, not to councils. And this is coming from this article from October 2024. This is an impact assessment done by the Department of DEFRA, which is the Department of Environment, Food and Rural Affairs. And here's the number. Net cost to business per year will be around £1 billion, £1 billion, so 1,000 millions. So cost is cost, but whose cost? Well, small companies ask, do we pay now or later? Well, the short answer is later in 2024, but it is rather now in 2025, because fees for 2024 tonnage land here in 3 months' time in October 2025. And this is coming from this article from when the waste disposal fees will kick in, and is from this article from the government guidance webpage, extended producer responsibility for packaging. And down below, you can see here the small note that says fees for packaging placed in the market in 2024 will be invoiced from October 2025. So as you see, if this is confusing, yes, but you're not alone, because threshold, that's another issue. The threshold just crashed from £2 million to £1 million turnover and 25 tonnage packaging, meaning that companies that now have £1 million turnaround and 25 tons of packaging waste also will be coming to this scheme. And as per the Department for Environmental, Food and Rural Affairs, from a note from July this year, 2025, that confirms that nothing have changed now anymore. So here's again this article from the gov.uk, where it confirms that still your annual turnover between 1 million or 2 million pounds, and you are responsible for supplying or importing more 25 tons of packaging in the UK. So you are classed as a small organization if either the following applies, what's just went through. But here's a punch, if you may. A higher shelf price looms up to £70 per household. And this is a report from the Times. And I'm not subscribed to the Times, but this is the report. But actually, I found the report in LinkedIn. So if you are interested to read it, where it says the recycling packaging waste will add up to £70 a year to household food bills. So while the councils finally breathe, then on the other side, who the mandate literally flips the bin bill to the producers. And this is also from actually written like that in the government guidance here in the webpage. The PAC UK will shift the cost of managing household packaging waste from taxpayers and local authorities to those businesses who use and supply the packaging. It's in the official webpage. Extremely frustrating, if you may, but here's a catch. What about you? What about your company? So this is not going to change. This is going to be invoiced to you based on these conditions from October 2025. And here's the problem. You have a lot of admin, fewer capacity to understand all these logics and how it works, what is SKUs, how is it the packaging, how you dissect the composition of the packaging to understand if you're liable or not, or how you're liable. So we developed Trinity to do less admin, fewer fees, and having a happier forecasting teams, accounting teams. So this is our contrasting triplet, if you may. So Trinity auto tags every SKU, simulate all the fees, and digits spreadsheets, and which are the maze. I'm going to go cover that, the spreadsheet maze in the future videos. And this will be like swapping an airline roundabout for a sat nav. So you're going to go through these very quickly and very, very specifically to understand what is going on in your business and how you can fix it. So you probably will not kill the bill, but definitely will stop the spill, because this is very drowning in the amount of information that you have to go through and the fees for consulting, spreadsheets, etc. So if interested, contact us, Trinity, and we are going to be very happy to go through all these processes, how we can help you and navigate and have a less problem in your organization.